Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Babu Sunkara. Today we are going to discuss a case in which the Honorable High Court of Madras reiterated the difference between real heroes and real heroes. While disposing or dismissing the case of cine hero C. Joseph Vijay versus State of Tamil Nadu in a tax exemption case on a Rolls-Royce car, the High Court stated that behave like a real hero instead of a real hero. You will become a real hero if you go for payment of the tax, payment of or prompt payment of tax, which makes one a real hero. And also imposed a fine of rupees 1 lakh, of course, to be paid to the CM Relief Fund. Why this thing happened, and let us go into the details of the case. You may be knowing Mr. Vijay. Now he is one of the most famous heroes of Tamil Nadu, that is Tollywood or something. He is one of the most famous heroes after Rajinikanth. Now he is the person who can pull up the crowds. Right. During the year 2012, he purchased a Rolls-Royce ghost car, maybe worth about 8 crores or so, and import at England, and he has imported it to Madras. Of course, he has paid the import tax to the customs department also. Then he wanted to get it registered in the state of Tamil Nadu. When he approached the regional passport officer, they asked him to pay the entry tax, which is extraordinary in his view. Therefore, instead of paying the tax, he has been fighting in the court right from 2012, almost from 9 years back. It's not registered for 9 long years. Ultimately, the matter reached the High Court. Justice M.A.S.M. Subramaniam, so while dismissing the petition, imposed costs of 1 lakh fine, stating that such type of writ petitions to avoid tax cannot be appreciated. They can never be appreciated, he said. The common people, because we have to remember Article 38A of the Constitution of India, which empowers social justice. So, how they will take up the social welfare measures? The government, how they do it? They will collect the taxes from the people, and therefore, if the people pay the taxes promptly, then only the social welfare measures can be conducted smoothly under Article 38A of the Constitution of India. The common people are motivated to pay the tax to achieve social justice in the society. So he has put in the legal frame, social justice, political, financial and political justice. So social justice, which is envisaged in the preamble of the Constitution of India itself. Normally the common people, you might have seen about 4 or 5 years back, the Telugu Tollywood celebrity, Mr. Nagarjuna, he has been hailed as the prompt taxpayer, number 1 taxpayer in Andhra Pradesh. So people should be like that. So if the rich, affluent and reputed persons, if they avoid the tax or if they fail to pay the tax, it will be a long way to achieve the constitutional goals, and the ordinary people also will feel jealous of them, and they will attack the government also. Why you are favoring certain people? Why are giving the sops to us, the influential people like that? Definitely the other people will be commenting, right? The advocate on behalf of Mr. Vijay, Sri S. Kumareshan, he stated that the actor imported the Rolls-Royce Ghost from England. He paid excise duty or the so-called import duty. Now they are asking for the entry tax to on the, that is the state of Tamil Nadu, which is right? The court surprised to note that the petitioner, that is actor, he did not mention his occupation in the affidavit. He did not mention his occupation. So, just like an ordinary man, he has filed the affidavit. So, as a reputed cine actor, he is expected to pay the tax promptly and punctually. That is what is stated by the court. So, the system of Indian taxation is the backbone of our economy. It is not a voluntary payment of donation as you like. So, if you pay, if it is a voluntary donation, okay, you pay, you need not pay, you pay something you like, you pay extraordinary, whatever you can do. But it is not a voluntary donation. Tax evasion is considered to be anti-national habit. Of course, we know how tax is being paid, how the things are circumvented, all these things we know. But anyway, social justice as per Article 38 Clause 2 of the Constitution of India can be achieved only if the people pay taxes. And in this case, the Honorable High Court decided on relied on a decided case law. State of Kerala versus Father William Fernandez, 2018. So, the state can collect entry tax as per this case law. Right? So, this matter has been pending from 17/7/2012. Court already asked him to pay some interim tax, but he did not pay. So therefore, being a reputed actor, he should not go for these things and file a writ petition. Therefore, he is imposed fine of rupees 1 lakh, which has to be paid to the CM's relief fund for these COVID-19 victims. Good case. So don't be under the impression that the business people, the reputed people, the celebrities can get away from the clutches of the law. Tax is definitely they have also to pay tax. This is what is decided by the Madras High Court. So please remember, be a real hero, not a real hero. Real hero we know, Sonu Sood, we hail him, even though he is a villain, he is a real hero. Now, Vijay Sethupathi, I think yesterday somebody posted in the social media that he was coming on a cycle against the price hike, that is in price hike of the oil. So now he himself is going for the dubious method of avoiding the entry tax, which is not held by the Madras High Court. Very good case, read it and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.